Hi class! Today we're making a new recipe I created that combines Chinese Szechuan flavors with an American favorite appetizer, tater tots. Szechuan cuisine is most well known for the usage of spices and seasonings to create bold and rich flavors. The two main ingredients featured in this dish are dried chili peppers and Szechuan peppercorn powder, the most common seasoning in Szechuan cuisine. Before we start this recipe, I want to take a moment to show off a beautiful new addition to my kitchen, courtesy of Aki Homes. Aki Homes 3.5-liter air fryer is a sleek 6-in-1 multi-function air fryer. The compact size allows for a slim fit on your counter so it doesn't crowd your kitchen. It's designed with a tempered glass basket, making it so much easier to clean. I like to line it with foil so I can just take the whole thing out and toss the tin foil when I'm done. First, add the frozen tater tots into the basket. Set it to air fry at 350 degrees for 20 minutes. This machine is super quiet compared to other air fryers. Another feature that makes this machine stand out is a clear visual display window that allows you to check your food during the cooking process. The handlebar also swivels up so you can have a clear open view of the window. After the first 10 minutes, pull out the basket and shake up the tater tots. Spray some oil over them and continue cooking for another 10 minutes at 400 degrees. While that is cooking, chop up some green onions, about a cupful, and put them on a plate. Scoop 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. You can use freshly minced garlic or ones from a jar like this. Add 1/8 teaspoon of minced ginger. Grab a handful of dried chili peppers and chop them into small chunks. Place them on the plate along with the green onion, minced garlic, and the ginger. In a small bowl, we will combine all our seasoning spices. Add 1/8 teaspoon of Szechuan pepper powder, 1/8 teaspoon of white pepper, 1/8 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/8 teaspoon of chicken bouillon powder, a sprinkle of sugar or monkfruit sweetener, and finally 1/8 teaspoon of salt. Mix it all together. Now take the tater tots out of the air fryer. They should be nicely golden brown and crispy. In a wok on medium-high heat, drizzle some cooking oil and add all your chopped ingredients. Leave some green onions for garnish. Stir fry them to release all the aromas. Add the tater tots and toss them with the ingredients. Then add the spice seasoning we combined earlier. Make sure to distribute it evenly over the tater tots. Turn off the heat and then drizzle some sesame oil. Then add the rest of the green onions. Now it's time to serve and taste. Enjoy this delicious snack while they're hot and crispy. I hope you like my new recipe. Please try it out and let me know how it turns out. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching!